You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Glutatonic body lotion, which is said to be a collagen body lotion and an anti-aging body lotion, and it fights against aging and tone the skin. So this body lotion was bought by my brother. Actually, before my brother buy any creams, he normally used to come to me to say, "Auntie, which of the cream will I use? Please advise me." So I will advise him and I will tell him the one to use. So this one, he came to me and said, "Auntie, which cream will I buy? I'm getting dark, this and that." I told him, "Wait, I'm going to recommend cream for you. Just give me some time." He said, "No, Auntie, the cream that you used to recommend for me, I'm already fair. The cream used to darken me. I don't really like the way the cream used to be. I need a cream that will fair me and this." So I said, "Okay, go and buy any cream that you wish." Now went and buy this Gluta White Glutatonic body lotion. So we started using it with the first hand experience that we had. We started doing well with him, started getting fair, and it was like, "Auntie, this cream is good though, I like it." I said, "This cream is not going to good for you. You should have let me to recommend cream for you." He said, "No, Auntie, this cream is going to good for me. Can't you see that I'm getting white?" I said, "Okay, no problem." So let me say like 2 weeks. Look at his leg. In fact, he started having stretch mark on his waist. He just refused me to view it. Started having a lot of stretch mark on his waist, on his slat. I said, "You're a man. Look at you. You're having stretch mark all over your body." This is what this lotion did to him. But if it was somebody that have experience, if you want to use this body lotion, I noticed like it will give you that fast whitening effect that you need. If you want to use it, don't use it every day, and don't use it with a soap that is going to bring more whitening effect to your skin. Just use it with a mild soap, a soap that is not doesn't have any whitening ingredient on it. It's just so that it's just like to just maintain your skin. So when you are using this lotion, I think you should use it at least once in a day. Don't use it like 3 times in a day. Lotion, use it with sense. Don't use it every day. Don't let it not be your daily cream. And just use it once in a week, and you can be using it with other body lotion. And also, if you want to be using it every day, use it with a soap that has any whitening effect on it. A soap that is going to whiten it, because you will not like. Do not that this cream is actually bad. I think the person that should use this particular cream is somebody that has a very strong skin, very very strong skin. And I think a dark person shouldn't use this cream, because you are going to regret it, because it's going to give you dark knuckles and you might end up having stretch mark. So if you don't want to have stretch mark, I think you shouldn't use it. Or if you know that this cream is going to work for you after watching this video, you can use it, because I'm not here to condemn anybody's product. What I'm trying to say, like, what I'm just saying what it is to my brother's skin, and my brother end up having stretch mark, and I have evidence. Can look at can see his leg. That is just one leg. He refused me to snap the whole leg. It's just fun anyway. That is just it. See you in my next video. God bless you. Thank you.